honeybee. When he plays the boogie woogie boogie, he's busy as a busy bee. And when he plays, he makes the company jump into the bar. He's a boogie woogie bugle boy, company bee. Yada toot, yada toot, yada toot toot. He blows a late to the bar. He can blow a note at the bass and guitar is a whipping. And the company jumps when he was reveling. He's a boogie woogie bugle boy, company bee. A boogie every night, wakes them up the same way in the early bright. They clap their hands and stamp their feet, 'cause he knows how he blows and so he gives them a beat. Oh, he breaks it up when he plays Ravelry. The boogie woogie bugle boy company bee. A root, a toot, a tilly and a toot toot toot. He blows an eight to the bar. Can blow a note at the bass and guitars. Wow, with him. And the company jumps beneath his Ravelry. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy company bee.
Thank you.
Oh. Thank you very much.
So who ate too much turkey yesterday, huh? Yeah.
I think that's everybody.
Yeah, I couldn't move. I was done by about 4 o'clock. That was me struck out with the rest of the day.
Sign of age when you fall asleep. And
Oh,
I did it for
okay,
the
all
first
right,
time
all
this
right.
year. I did it for the first time this year.
No charades.
Anyway, we're going to stay with the Andrews Sisters for you. This wonderful song called Don't Sit Under the Apple Tree.
Tree with anyone else but me, anyone else but me, anyone else but me. No, 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 don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me till I come marching home. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me, anyone else but me, anyone else but me. No, 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 don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone for me till I come marching home. I just got word from the girl who heard from the girl next door to me. The boy she met just loves to bet and he fits you to a T. So don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me till I come marching home. Sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me, with anyone else but her. No, 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 sing the song for me. No, 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 don't you sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Not till you see me, not until you see me marching home, 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 sweet home. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me, with anyone else but her. No, 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 not a single soul but me. No, 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 don't you go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me. Not till you see me, not until you see me marching home, 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 sweet home. Just wait till I go marching home. Walking down the Lover's Lane, no, walking down the Lover's Lane till you see me. When you see me marching home, then we'll go on and on and sit down under the apple tree, baby, just you and me. When I come marching home.
Yay! Woo-hoo! Beautifully danced. And they say gentlemen prefer blondes. Look at that lovely little blondie one there.
Thank you very much.
We'll have
Thanks
to
for
get her up-
dancing.
We'll have to get her up to be the third member. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I think I can feel a Christmas song coming on.
Can you?
I can. Can anybody else?
Yeah. Okay. This one is called Winter Wonderland. Walking in.
Carry on dancing.
Yeah, don't forget to dance.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is a bluebird, here to stay is a bluebird. To sing a love song as we stroll along, walking in a winter wonderland.
In the meadow we can build a snowman. We'll pretend that he is Parson Brown.
He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no man.
But you can do the job when you're in town.
Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland.
In the meadow we can build a snowman. We'll pretend that he is Parson Brown.
He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no man. But you can do the job when you're in town. Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland. Ooh, she's loving it down the front. Way! Our number one fan down the front. What's your name? The child with no
What's her
name.
The child. She's gorgeous anyway. Eve.
Eve.
Oh, Eve. Hi, Eve.
Merry Christmas, Eve.
Yay. A Star is Born.
Okay, the next song we're going to do for you is by the wonderful Doris Day.
Yeah, fabulously talented woman and underestimated as an actress because she was a fantastic actress. Apart from the comedian stuff she used to do, she was a fantastically dramatic actress as well, which very few people know. So,
Anyway, this next one is called Perhaps, Perhaps, Perhaps.
or if you're from Cardiff, perhaps.
But you're not, love, you're from Penarth.
Because we're posh in Banal. Right, here we go then.
You won't admit you love me, and so how am I ever to know? You always tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. A million times I've asked you, and then I ask you over again. You only answer, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. if you really love me, say yes. But if you don't, dear, confess, and please don't tell me. Perhaps, perhaps, perhaps.
Perhaps, perhaps, if you won't make your mind up, we'll never get started.
And I don't want to wind up being parted and broken hearted.
So if you really love me, say yes. But if you don't, dear, confess, and please don't tell me. Perhaps, 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 perhaps.
Thank you very much.
We're going to bring things up to date a little bit with a song by the wonderful Caro Emerald. Has anybody heard of her? Yeah, fantastic, isn't she? Yeah, this one's called That Man. It was a hit a couple of years ago, I think, now. But it's got that kind of swing feel, you know, so it fits in nicely with what we do. So this is called That Man. It's got a bit of a trick ending.
So we'll let you know when you have to clap, okay?
If you want to. No pressure.
Oh, they will, they will.
I'm in a little bit of trouble, and I'm in real deep. From the beginning to the end, he was no more than a friend to me. The thought is making me hazy. I think I better sit down. 'Cause like sweet serenade, then he knows he's got it made with me. Twisting round on a carousel, this beats too much to stop. 1 second I'm thinking I'm feeling the lust, then I feel alive. Ooh, that man is like a flame, and ooh, that man plays me like a game. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. Ooh, that man is on my list, and ooh, that man I wanna kiss. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. Now it's like I'm on a mission, headed everywhere. And if it takes a little long, and it feels a little wrong, who cares? My baby fits the description and does it easily. A little gable summer stare, when he dances I can barely breathe. Someone call the doctor, need some help to rescue me. 1 second I'm thinking I must be lost, and he keeps on finding me. Ooh, that man is like a flame, and ooh, that man plays me like a game. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. Ooh, that man is on my list, and ooh, that man I wanna kiss. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. And I'll beep, bop, doo-doo, bop, beep, bop, bop, doo-doo, bop, and I'll beep, bop, doo-doo, bop, beep-a-doo, beep, bop, beep-a-doo, bop, and I'll beep, 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 bop, beep-a-doo, bop, beep-a-doo, bop, doo-doo, bop, and I'll beep, bop, doo-doo, bop, beep-a-doo, beep, bop, beep-a-doo, bop. Ooh, I wanna find that man.
You betcha I'm gonna find that man. Ooh, I wanna find that man. I wanna find that, I wanna find that man. Ooh, that man is like a flame, and ooh, that man plays me like a game. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man. Ooh, that man is on my list, and ooh, that man I wanna kiss. My only sin is I can't win. Ooh, I love that man.
Every time I think of you, all of me goes a little crazy. You know what I mean? Anyway, I believe it's a matter that you should call me, and we can have a night out in Cardiff that neither of us will ever forget. A beautiful night of love, lust and paradise. You can make it nice. So call me on Riverside 423755. Ciao, ciao. I said it was a trick ending. We've got a couple more for you before we have some very special guest artists coming up.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, Eve.
don't take our number one fan away. Oh, bye, Eve. Oh,
We're back on later.
oh, we got another one. You're all right. Hello, we got a replacement. What's your name? You're a cutie. Okay.
Hey, cutie. Hello.
Okay, this next song is from a musical called Damn Yankees, and in the 50s, but it was covered by Sarah Vaughan. It's a very sassy number called Whatever Lola Wants.
And Joan is sassy anyway, so she does her real justice.
I'm a good actress, you know. Whatever Lola wants,
Lola gets.
Lola gets. Whatever Lola wants, Lola gets. And little man, little Lola wants you. Make up your mind to have no regrets. Recline yourself, resign yourself, you're through. I always get what I aim for, and your heart and soul is what I came for. Whatever Lola wants, Lola gets. Take off your coat, don't you know you can win? You're no exception to the rule. I'm irresistible, you fool. Give in, you'll never win. Whatever Lola wants, Lola gets. I always get what I aim for, and your heart and soul is what I came for. Whatever Lola wants, Lola gets. Take off your coat, don't you know you can win? You're no exception to the rule. I'm irresistible, you fool. Give in, you'll never win. Give in, you'll never win. Give in. Oh, she was the right one, that Lola.
She was indeed.
That was my husband down the front. I was looking. Don't look so worried, man.
It's all right. She's taken. I'm not.
Hey, steady.
Okay, this is a next one. You'll know the tune to it because it's very famous. An Andrews Sisters tune called Mr. Sandman. But because of the festive season, the lyrics have been changed. Mr. Santa, it's now called. And the good fun lyrics, this one.
Mr. Santa, bring me some toys.
falling. And when you cross the street, look where you're going. Mr. Santa, I love you so. I hope you'll never get lost in the snow. Take your time when you unpack. Mr. Santa, don't turn your back. We've used a hanky when we've blown our noses. Mr. Santa, look at these ears. They clean as whistles, we're sharper than shears. Now we'll put you on the spot. Mr. Santa, bring us our lot. Mr. Santa, bring us, please, 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 Mr. Santa, don't forget me.
Thank you very much. I hope you all got what you wanted for Christmas. Yeah?
I got
No?
a Hoover.
She got a Hoover, a Henry Hoover.
It's great, Henry Hoover. I asked for it.
Her substitute
I-
boyfriend
Santa,
at the
I
moment.
did write to Santa and tell him I wanted a Henry Hoover. And he obliged, because I've been a good girl, you know. I'm going to take the microphone down a little bit now because we've got some special guests coming on.
To do a little song for us. One of them is my daughter, a little bit of a chip off the old block.
A little bit of a chip off the old block.
Anyway, come on, guys, come on. They're going to do just a little Welsh carol. Come on, this one.
Come on this, Mike. Yeah,
Doesn't matter.
take it down. Whoop. Tell me, is that low enough for you?
This is Scarlett and Owen, and they're going to sing a lovely Christmas song. You ready, guys?
Paratoi am Nadolig, tinsel Twrci a theganau. Pawb yn brysur iawn, siop a gyd yn llawn, mae'r Nadolig yn nesau. Pwdyn plwm a theis yn ffrwythau, cen yn crac, ysgoed yn cardrau. Pawb yn brysur iawn, siop a gyd yn llawn, mae'r Nadolig yn nesau. Bys yn con yn teithio dros y byd, i roi'r region i bob blentyn bach. Pacio'r stedd a llethol lawr o simne, gan gydio dyn yn eisach. Paratoi am Nadolig, tinsel Twrci a theganau. Pawb yn brysur iawn, siop a gyd yn llawn, mae'r Nadolig yn nesau. Bys yn con yn treisio dros y byd, yn rhoi yn rhegion i bob blentyn bach. Pacio stedd a llethol lawr o simne, gan gydio dyn yn eisach. Paratoi am Nadolig, tinsel Twrci a theganau. Pawb yn brysur iawn, siop a gyd yn llawn, mae'r Nadolig yn nesau.
You got a bigger cheer than we did. That's not fair, is it? Well done, guys. Well done. Little bit of Christmas. Spread it around, eh?
Don't want to hog all the limelight, do we? No.
Yes.
Yeah, well, yeah. Now you mention it. Okay, we're going to go back to the Andrews sisters with this one, aren't we, Jenny?
We are, yeah. This is not my favourite drink, but I'm sure it might be a few of yours' favourite drink.
Rum and Coca-Cola. Ah.
fine time drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Kumala, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar.
It's a fact, man, it's a fact.
When a Yankee comes to Trinidad, they got the young girls all going mad. Young girls say they treat them nice, make Trinidad like paradise, drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Kumala, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar.
Oh, you vex me, you vex me.
From Chicarito, Mona's Isle, the native girls all dance and smile. Help soldiers celebrate his leave, makes every day like New Year's Eve, drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Kumala, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar.
Beat it, man, beat it.
In old Trinidad I also fear the situation is mighty queer, like the Yankee girl, the native swoon, when she hears the bingo crew drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Kumala, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar. Out on Manzanella Beach, GI romance with native beach. All night long make tropic love, the next day sit in hot sun and cool off, drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Kumala, both mother and daughter, working for the Yankee dollar.
It's a fact, man, it's a fact.
Rum and Coca-Cola, rum and Coca-Cola, working for the Yankee dollar.
That is a favourite of mine, that one, I must say. Not just because it's a spirit.
Water, water.
Ooh. Well, it's lovely to see you all on Boxing Day. I can't believe there's so many people. Bit of a walk, is it, to walk off the turkey?
Okay. Another Christmas one, I think, is it? Yes. Oh, fabulous song. Originally done by Eartha Kitt.
Well, more recently done by Kylie Minogue.
And she always says that with a Barnsley accent, and I have no idea why.
I think Madonna did it as well, actually, but it's a bit of a famous one.
Yeah,
Santa.
Santa Baby. Uh-huh.
Santa baby, just slip the sable under the tree for me. Being an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
Santa Baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa Baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
Think of all
Santa honey, one little thing I really need, the deed to a platinum mine, Santa honey. So hurry down the chimney tonight.
Santa cutie, fill my stockings with the duplex and checks. Sign your X on the line, Santa cutie, and hurry down the chimney tonight.
Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations brought at Tiffany's. I really do believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me. Santa baby, forgot to mention one little thing, a ring. I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry tonight.
Oh, thank you. You're too kind.
No, they're not. You're just right. Just right. Okay, this next song is one from the film from where we got our name, Gentlemen Prefer Blondes.
I like to see myself as a Jane Russell character,
Yeah.
but a bit smaller.
Yeah.
Quite
And I'm
a bit.
nothing like Marilyn, really.
You are.
I am? Oh, sure. Thank you.
If we put a wig on you.
Well, let's just not go there. Okay, this is it. Two little girls from Little Rock. We're just two little girls from Little Rock. We lived on the wrong side of the tracks, but the gentlemen friends who used to call, they never did seem to mind at all. They came to the wrong side of the tracks. Then someone broke my heart in Little Rock, so I upped and left the pieces there. Like a little lost lamb I rolled about, I came to New York and I found out that men are the same way everywhere. I was young and determined to be wide and dined and ermine, and I worked at it all around the clock.
Now one of these days in my fancy clothes, I'm going back home and punch the nose of the one who broke my heart.
The one who broke my heart, the one who broke my heart in Little Rock, Little Rock, Little Rock, Little Rock.
I'm just a little girl from Little Rock. A horse used to be my closest pal. Though I never did learn to read or write, I learned about love in the pale moonlight, and now I'm an educated guy.
I learned an awful lot in Little Rock, and here's some advice I'd like to share. Find a gentleman who is shy or bold, or short or tall, or young or old. As long as the guy's a millionaire. For a kid from small street, I did very well on Wall Street, though I never owned a share or stock. And now that I'm known in the Go for it, Jenny.
A couple more. This is also from the musical Where We Got Our Name, but it's even more famous than that one, and you're definitely going to know it.
So we're not going to introduce it. Just enjoy.
Sit back and enjoy.
The French are glad to die for love.
They delight in fighting duels,
but we prefer a man who lives and gives expensive jewels. A kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss may be grand, but it won't pay the rental on your humble flat, or help you at the automat. Men grow cold as girls grow old, and we all lose our charms in the end. But square cut or pear shape, these rocks don't lose their shape. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Black Star, Frost, Gorman, talk to us, Harry Winston, tell us all about it. Papa-ba-doo-doo-wah-wah, there may come a time when a lass needs a lawyer, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. There may come a time when a hardball employer thinks you're awful nice, but get that ice or else no dice. He's your guy when stocks are high, but beware when they start to descend. It's then that those louses go back to their spouses. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. We've heard of affairs that are strictly platonic, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. And we think affairs that you must keep less on, it would make better bets. If little pets gave big baguettes, time rolls on and youth is gone, and you can't straighten up when you bend. But stiff back or stiff knees, you stand straight at Tiffany's. Diamonds, diamonds. We don't need rock stars, but diamonds are a girl's best
Thank you, guys. Okay, we just got another. I had to watch my beads. Last time I threw them, they hit
She's
me.
lost, I don't know how many pairs of beads she's lost. She's lost at least 4. Okay, back to the Christmas theme.
Yes, I can feel a Christmas song definitely in the air.
And this one's probably one of the most famous and most well loved. It's called White Christmas. Oh. Is that an I've heard it too many times? I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh
dance, did you? In a fashion.
In a fashion.
Okay, this next song was made famous, I think, by the Supremes, but Diana Ross did a great version of it. And we love this song, so we thought we'd pop this in just to get things going a bit. We've got a couple more to do for you now. So hope you enjoy. This is Why Do Fools Fall in Love?
Good foot tapping number, this one. Do-up-a-do-up-a-do-up-a-do.
Thank you. This is our last song now for you.
This is the last song.
But come back at 4:45, we'll do it all again for you. Okay.
Okay, yeah, this is a good dancing number as well. It's called Jump, Jive and Wail. It was by I'm not sure who it was originally by or whatever, but it's Brian Setzer Orchestra is the arrangement we picked up. So this is it, Jump, Jive and Wail.
Baby, baby, looks like it's gonna hit. Baby, baby, looks like it's gonna hit. You better come inside, let me teach you how to jive and wail. Oh yeah, jump jiving, then you ain't got it. Jump jiving, then you ain't got it. Jump jiving, then you ain't got it. Jump jiving, then you ain't got it.
get a pay. Jumping down off the hill to get a pay. Jill says if she wants to learn how to jive and wait. Jump jiving, then you really got it. 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 Jump jiving, then you really wait. Oh, jump jiving, then you really got it. 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 Jump jiving, then you really wait. Oh, jump jiving, then you really got it. 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 Jump jiving, then you really wait. Oh, jump jiving, yeah, jump jiving, yeah, jump jiving, yeah, jump jiving, yeah, jump jiving, then you really wait.
Thank you very much. We've been Gentlemen Prefer Blondes.
Thank you very much indeed. This is Joan, and I'm Laura. Gentlemen.